Welcome to the very first video in our series of How to Build a Successful Business in 2025 and Beyond. You've made an amazing decision by clicking on this video, and I want you to know right off the bat that this is the start of something really powerful for you. You're not here by accident, and I know why you clicked on this video. You're looking for a legitimate way to earn money, right? But here's the truth. Building a real, sustainable business isn't like those quick money schemes you see online. You know, the ones that promise instant riches in a few clicks or days? No. We're talking about something much more rewarding here. A long-lasting business. So before we dive into the how of building your business, we need to start with something even more important. Your motivation, your why. The real reason you're here? Building a business is a journey. And the first step of that journey is understanding why you want to build one in the first place. And let me tell you that this is very important, because if you don't know why you're doing this, it's going to be a lot harder to keep going when things get tough. That's why I want you to grab a notebook or open your phone's notes app right now. I want you to start jotting down your answers to these questions. Don't overthink it. Just write what comes to mind. Then we'll go over it later. Are you ready? Number 1, why did you click on this video? Think about it well. You might be looking for financial freedom, flexibility, or maybe you just want to control your own future. Write all your reasons down. And number 2, why do you want to start a business? Is it because you want to build something you can be proud of? Something that lasts? Or maybe you want to create a legacy you can pass down to your children? Or create something to inspire others with? Write every possible reasons down. So why is it important for you to understand your why? Because understanding your why will give you the strength to push through the tough times. You'll stay focused, driven, and motivated. It'll remind you of the bigger picture. Again, write all your reasons down. So now that we've got your why down, let's move on to the next question. What is it that you want to build your business around? What's your passion or skill? This is the fun part because it's all about you. What are you truly passionate about? What skills do you have that could help others? Maybe you're really good at solving problems, like teaching others, or creating something unique. Take a moment to think about what drives you. This isn't just about chasing money. It's about chasing the problem, so you can create a solution that will give you money. You want a business that lasts? Then you have to build it around something that you genuinely love doing. That way, when the days get hard, you'll have your passion to keep you going. So ask yourself what excites you. What makes you feel fulfilled when you do it? And let me remind you again, my friend, that starting a business is not about instant gratification. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's all about slow and steady progress. It's about building something that will provide for you and your family what you need in the long run. Something you can look back on one day and say, hey, I did that. This journey isn't going to be easy, but you know what? Trust me, it's going to be worth it. And I'm going to be with you every step of the way, to guide you, to teach you, and help you build a business that you can be proud of. A business that will last for generations. Okay? Now that you've written down your why and started thinking about the what, you've already laid a solid foundation. In the next video, we'll dive into the next important steps. We will clarify your goal, your vision, and your mission in life. This is non-negotiable, my friend, because this step will help you big time to ensure that you're building a business that truly aligns with your passions and values. Before you end this video, let's have a quick recap of what we just talked about. Number 1, the importance of your why. You need to understand that knowing your why is foundational. It will guide you through tough times and keep you aligned with your long-term vision. Number 2, it's not going to be easy. Be clear that starting a business isn't about overnight success. It's about building something that lasts, a business that will make a real impact to you and, of course, to others. Number 3, your personal motivation for long-term success. Always reflect on your personal motivations like freedom, flexibility, and leaving a legacy. And number 4, writing down your reasons. After you end this video, go back to your notes and review your reasons again. Think about it again. I encourage you to do this to solidify the commitment to your journey. I want you to keep your notebook handy because we're just getting started. You've got this. Don't forget to subscribe to Affluence Corner, and I'll see you in the next video.